When I bought this Jeep TJ with just 30,000 miles on it, I had no idea the amount of work that I'd need to do to this thing. And looking underneath it, you'd never even think that it's the same Jeep. This is one of the largest projects I've ever done myself and for the channel, and it feels like a massive accomplishment to finally have it finished. For all the guys that watched from the start of this Jeep, to those people who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's have a full recap of the journey that this Jeep has been on. The whole area up above the transmission was all rotted, cracking. An entirely new chassis. We're actually pretty high up now. Holy crap. I realized there was a harness I missed. A harness that controls both the fuel pump and the sending unit. There it is. Now we try to start it.
Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I give you the pot. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe. And 40 on 50 is really the time. Why are you all on my phone like you want me? Like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side. I don't know. You thinking I'm blind? Cross on my crosses and doubt on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing. I know I've been missing, I needed some personal time. All the pictures, dimensions, I don't what you did this. I mean it, I'm staying inside. Check out.
It's time to take it on its first drive. Let's see how it goes. And away we go. Can't believe this thing is working as good as it is. It's driving straight down the road. There's no warning lights on the dash. This is incredible. This is incredible. This is nuts. God. I'm saying this, she's done. Well, thank you to everyone who watched and liked and commented and helped me throughout this build. I will catch you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.